The birthday list begins with Corey Thompson, who is celebrating her 7th birthday. Corey, a very happy birthday to you in Chanute, and Corey gets to share her special day with somebody who's very special to her, her great-grandmother. That is right, Corey and her great-grandmother, Colleen Davidson, have the same birthday. How amazing is that? Miss Colleen, she's turning 82. She is also in Chanute.
And we have Ben Finley turning sweet 16 today. There he is on a sweet ride back there in Fredonia.
Beth Cullen, a very happy birthday to you. Miss Beth is in Baxter Springs, and Beth, I want you to know that these happy birthday wishes come from your love, James.
In Columbus, Stephen Freeman is celebrating a year wiser. And a resident at Medical Lodges in Columbus, Mr. Larry Zook, happy birthday to you.
Also at Medical Lodges, we've got Jerry McKenna celebrating a birthday. Have a great one, Jerry. Jerry Golub is turning 71. Just so happens that Jerry is a retired police officer. And how about this milestone? Louise Stark, 100 years old. A very happy birthday to Louise. Actually celebrated yesterday. We're going to carry this all throughout the week as the birthday party commences in Joplin.
All right, and we've got a 20th anniversary to celebrate with the Fortmans. Congratulations to Justin and Julie Fortman on 20 years of wedded bliss in Pittsburgh.
One to finish it off, we got the Shibeys, Ryan and Ashley. Look at this, they're celebrating their first anniversary. Congratulations, Ryan and Ashley. Hope it's been a memorable year, and I hope you got to celebrate your first anniversary as well as they are in Joplin. A happy birthday and happy anniversary